Hey guys, it's Carly and I'm here with my friend Jack, and we're both a little underdressed right now. We're actually getting ready for a day in the city, and I'm excited because I'm gonna vlog it, and this is like my first video with Jack and I'm super excited. Right now we're just eating bagels and getting ready for the train. It comes at 9:22, so we got to be there like 9:10, so we're like kind of in a rush, so you're not going to see much more. You're going to probably see us next on the train, so see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, what is up?
What is up, you guys?
What is up, you guys?
What's up, you guys?
So we're at the train station right now, so like we kind of had a little mishap. You want to explain, Jack?
I'll explain.
You just mimicked me saying explain.
You want to explain, Jaclyn? I'll explain. Okay.
Go on.
So we were running a little behind schedule, and
Yeah.
Carly was like, Jaclyn, you need to drive faster, and I was like,
We almost
okay,
got
like let's go. So I was driving and driving real fast. I think
really fast.
like
I think I got whiplash.
Yeah,
A little bit in my neck.
I'm not really a good storyteller, Carly. You know that.
So basically, what happened was like last night I was like looking up the train station times.
I forgot to get this in the story. That's what I'm saying. I'm not a good storyteller.
That was the whole point of the story. That was the story. So basically what happened was I was looking up the train station times. It turns out I was doing Penn Station to Bayshore instead of Bayshore to Penn Station. So like we missed our first train, and like I thought I thought the next one was 10:22, but that was Penn Station to Bayshore. So all in all, I had both times wrong.
Yeah,
So now we're waiting for the 10:49. Pretty eventful.
Okay,
Okay, stop.
for all you people who don't eat a muffin the way I do,
I didn't really think you were gonna talk in this section.
you're doing it wrong.
How do you eat a muffin? Differently. You're eating it
I
the way
would go
everyone
for it.
eats a muffin.
No, I feel like everyone takes it apart with their hands.
No, I don't do that.
Okay, goodbye.
So they're at the train station, and we did like a thing on my Snapchat story where like she was trying to put a turban towel like to like dry her hair, and like I put it on my story, and my friend snapped me, and he was like, "Gosh, put some clothes on." This lady at the train station, was like, "Were you going swimming?" Were you going swimming? And we were just like, this was a video. And she's like, well, just saying, we got enough nudity. That's horrible. I don't know where she went. I don't know where she is coming.
Oh, boy.
Where was she? Where'd she come? Just got to Penn Station. Currently going up the escalator to see the Big Apple. Ew, I hate myself.
Yeah, I don't know why you said that. Yes.
Show them what we got. Some mini haul.
Got these nice little gloves.
Getting these 2-pack, $5.
Matches with her,
H&M,
matches with me.
We left our
$6.
Are we talking at the same time?
We are.
We got gloves at H&M because like we left them at home and we were like rushing to the train station. So she's gonna take the black pair. I'm gonna take the gray pair.
Yes.
It matches, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that's it.
Yeah, that's
Pretty good.
That's it.
Check it out. Also, that is Nicki Minaj, just for proof.
She's so pretty.
That's her. Like I didn't know that was her. It's her. She's
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. So let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
What is up, you guys?
What is up, you guys?
Coming at you live from New York City, Bryant Park, right here.
Yeah.
Look at this beautiful fountain. Just gonna go grab something to eat. Gonna walk around a little, grab something to eat. Then we'll do a little traveling.
Yeah.
Do a little traveling afterwards. Yeah.
Oh,
Pretty cool. Yeah. Are you a wolf?
no. Yeah.
Hey guys, eating at Carli's, really good restaurant. It's really holiday and festive. Love it. The meatballs are probably the best meatballs I've ever had in my life. Their pasta is, oh my god. Also gluten free, so like just saying, that's popping. Yeah,
Probably
the prices are really like crazy, but also we're giving our waiter a penny. Note to self.
Feel it. Feel it.
Wow.
Wait. Wow.
Just chilling at our little makeup station. Private collection.
Tester, cream and honey.
I don't know if you knew, but
I don't know if you knew, but it smells good.
does it? Let me smell.
Yes?
Oh, wow, wait.
Wait, hold up. Get it on me.
That smells so good. What is that? What's that
I
for?
don't know,
That's
it's-
not perfume, honey.
It's hair and body mist.
Oh,
Girl, I got
wow.
you.
We just got a really nasty, not only do we get a really nasty waiter, who we gave $2 tip to, but now this bitch at the ice skating rink gave me 2 left feet.
No, wait.
She gave me 2 left feet. How am I supposed to wear that? I don't know what to do.
Just go tell her.
Okay,
Here
we are
go.
ready to head out. Let's
We're
do
ready
this
to go
thing.
and do this. We're ready to conquer.
Okay, ready? Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh my god.
It's alright, it's fine. Okay, none of them are looking. None of them are looking. Hey, Steph.
We gotta go to the edge. The edge of glory.
I just really
Hi.
Hi. Okay, me too. Jack's having a little bit of a hard time.
And the fire is slowly dying. And my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Yeah, where are we?
Fred a manger.
No, honey.
Fred a manga.
Let's manger.
Fred a monge.
No, not manger. Not like
Monge.
Flit.
Fred.
Manger.
Manger.
Eating. Like
Fred a manger.
we are just kind of chilling. This is really bad lighting. I look like a mess. But we have been walking for like so long. We wanted to go to this other cafe, and then we ended up not going because when we got there, by the time we got there and could find it, turns out there was like, it smelled like pee. And there was like 2 people in there, and there were only like 5 seats and nowhere for us to really sit. So yeah, it really did. Jaclyn keeps saying how much it smelled like pee. So now we just were like, okay, let's just like head back to Penn Station and see if we can get something in there. So we're just kind of chilling. My feet are like resting, and that's it. So we will update you guys on the train. I'm so tired. Okay, guys, we are on the train. We had a little mix-up. So what happened was so like the train said it was gonna go to Montauk. So we got confused and thought like we weren't gonna end up in where like Bayshore. So like we thought, okay, well let's go ask someone. So we ended up asking this guy in customer service, and he didn't even know what he was talking. Oh, my ticket. Oh, I don't know. He didn't even know what he was doing. He wrote 7:30. It was 8 o'clock at the time. He wrote 7:30. He's like, yeah, you're gonna take the 7:30 train. And then we got on the train. We were like, okay, we're just gonna have to risk it because we want to get home.
And the guy sat right in front of me. There were a million other seats open, so I was like real confused. I was like, why are you sitting here? And then everyone else around us like realized. And they started talking to us, being like, why was he sitting there? I was like, I don't know. We don't know. And then there was a woman that was right in front of me, and she had a pin on her sweater that said ugliest. And I just felt like it was unfortunate. Like, who was like, you're the ugliest? Like, who says that?
I mean, like, it must have been a contest at work, but like, still, why would you wear it home on the train? Take it off, maybe. Yeah.
Like, you don't want people to
Put on a coat or something. So like basically we encountered a weird man on the train. We found out the woman sitting across from me was the ugliest, and we found out that don't trust customer service at the LIRR because they will tell you the wrong train time and send you nowhere.
He said 8:30 but wrote 7.
Yeah. Guys, I am so tired. We just got home, my house, and we're kind of just saying our goodbyes. We're gonna do a gift exchange. So maybe I'll like feature what we got each other really quick. But this is me signing out. Catch you on the flip side. And yeah. Plane ride. I am that tired. Plane ride went great.
Plane ride? That's what you were gonna say. It felt like a plane because you slept the whole time. You were cruising.
I wouldn't have gotten up if she.
So I knew where to get off.
Because I was so tired, so I passed out the first time, and then there was like a mid section where I woke up for like a split second because my phone dropped. And I knew it, and so I woke up, and then I fell back to sleep. I was like, good night.
Yeah, I don't think they care that much about that. But
so anyways, that's really it, guys. I'll show you like a little insert of what we got each other.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, like I said, catch you on the flip side. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.
What did you just say? You were like, don't forget to thumbs up. Like you sounded like the conductor on the train. Next up, Jamaica.
I said, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe down below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also you should follow me.
No! So like I said, don't forget to subscribe.
My nose hurts.
Don't forget to subscribe down below. No one cares.
Down below.
Down below.
Right not to the side. There.
Why would I say to the side?
I don't know, because sometimes people could be confused. Like, maybe they're looking to the side for the subscriber.
I don't think anyone is confused but you.
Yeah, so I think we should sign off now for the night.
Signing off, Captain.
Club Penguin God. J-Man 101 is off.
Signing off, guys.
Good
See
night.
you next flight. Good night, everybody. We love you, New York. Doesn't it look like the Italian flag?
Where?
The paper.
Yeah. Did you do that on purpose?
No, I was trying to make it look festive. Okay. So Jaclyn, what'd you get?
I got the Shawn Mendes perfume and a cup. That's the Sorry Not Sorry, because this is a great song by Demi Lovato.
Yes, it's our
it was
bop.
our jam
Yeah, for
and
a
every
really
single time
long
she
time.
hits that high note,
We
I
don't
just
hit
feel
it.
something. I may not hit it, but I feel it. So that's all
Yeah.
that matters.
Okay. I just got these socks. They're
Yes.
really cute.
Right, they're
very
soft.
me. They're
Yes.
really soft. Sizes 4 to 10. It's a pretty wide range.
Yeah.
So I'm surprised because normally it just says one size fits all, but
Yeah.
no,
It's a
they
range.
have a range.
It's a range.
And they have little lace tops. And then, ironically, we both got each other a fragrance with a little lotion. And she got me this Victoria's Secret Tease set. Love this scent. Excited!
Yes. Uh-huh.
This is so cute. The packaging's like sequins,
know,
guys.
it's so
Look at that.
cute.
Love Victoria.
Yeah. From me.
Anyways, yep. So that's it, guys.
That's it.
Hope you enjoyed this vlog.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Jaclyn, what just happened?
All right, so I saw this on the bag. It
Which
says
is
Merry
the
and
bag I
Bright.
gave her.
Yes.
That's
And then
yes.
on her card, I wrote, "Hope your Xmas is merry and bright."
Who
And-
even says that? That's insane.
Not weird.
It's a crazy. That's crazy.
No,
We're
that's
psychic,
crazy.
you know. And then we both got fragrances. And she also 2 weeks ago, when I told her I bought her a Christmas gift, she
Oh, yeah.
guessed it was Shawn Mendes.
Yep.
She's like, "Does it have to do with Shawn Mendes?" It was her first guess, and I'm like, "How did you know that?"
I don't know. I just kind of like guessed, you know.
Oh, it's crazy. Okay,
Yeah.
that's really it. Hope
yeah.
you guys enjoyed that
Yes.
conspiracy theory.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye.